While we live in uncertain times, one thing has never been more clear: the need to be financially independent. If you want more out of life, let us show you how to get it. People of all ages are now learning what the banks and other institutions have known for years: how to make money trading in the financial markets. There's over $6 trillion traded each day. Let us show you how to get your piece of that. Epic ushers in a new era of financial education, combined with an unprecedented compensation plan to help you and your family live the life you've always dreamed of. It's time to take your seat at the table. You and your family deserve it. Don't be average. Be epic.
Who are we? We are a global community that's teaching people all around the world from every walk of life how to make money in the Forex market, okay? If you've never heard about Forex, I'm going to break it down here for you just in a second, but I really want all of you to pay very close attention right now. This is such an important moment in history that we're facing right now. We've just come out of such a crazy time, and there's still so much craziness going on, but the question is, how do we stay solid? How do we stay grounded? And how do we stay abundant regardless of what's going on? And what we've done here with this company is make that possible. Okay, what is Forex? Forex is the foreign exchange market. If you've never heard of it, you need to really go and look it up right now. Type in Forex in Google and see. This is a $6 trillion per day market. If you have money sitting in your bank account right now, it is already being traded in the foreign exchange market right now. But unfortunately to you, it's not benefiting you, it's benefiting the bank. Yes, the bank is using your money to make money on a daily basis. So here's my question to you. If someone's going to make money off of your money, would all of you agree with me that it should be you rather than the banks? Give me a yes in the chat box right now if you agree with me that it should be you. The thing that's so important about this is I'm absolutely convinced there's not a lack of money in the world. There's a lack of information. There's a lack of access. And what we're doing, which is so insane, is we're now taking what the wealthy have been doing with money for so long, what the banks have been doing with our money for so long, and we're teaching people the skill set of multiplying your money. We were taught how to multiply numbers, but why weren't we taught how to multiply money? And this is a skill set that can never be taken away from you. This is something that has radically shifted my life the last 3.5 years, from being in the banking industry over 8 years to now being full-time life, paid to live, right? Because of what this has done for us. This is something everybody must learn. So what are the services that we provide that make this so epic? All right, we have our live sessions every day. You can get on live with us and you can learn. You can be on the trading sessions. You can actually trade and be on live with master traders that are doing all of the work. And you are literally getting to learn while they are showing you what they're seeing in the markets right on your computer screen, right on your cell phone, right on your iPad, regardless of where you are in the world. Daily signals, Monday through Friday, they're sending out trade ideas. So what they see is good and very potential successful trades, they're sending you all of the information, and all you got to do is copy and paste it. This is all about learning and earning, right? While you're learning in the university, while you're learning on the live sessions, you still have the ability to copy and paste. Copycat is not bad when you're copying the right cat, right? It's beautiful. Imagine being able to copy the smart kid, and their hard work and their success and their knowledge counts for you. That's what our daily signals are, okay? Epic University, an A to Z academy to teach you how to trade, to teach you what's going on in this market, who's trading in this market, how to be a successful trader on a full-time basis on top of whatever else you're doing in your life, okay? We have our 2-week syllabus. We have a plan that's already put together for you, and all you got to do is follow it step by step. All right, with our market forecast, these are longer term trades that they are sending overviews and sending their analysis on, and you get the potential and you get the potential of taking these trades if you desire, okay? So look, this is it's an interactive trading community. Everything that you need, I believe that we have here for you. All you got to do is plug in. And during this pre-launch time, there has never been a better time. Before I move forward, I do want to give this disclaimer that Epic cannot and will not make any guarantees about your ability to get results or earn money with our program, okay? Information, tools, or strategies. The plan rewards you for selling products and services to customers. While the opportunity is unlimited, individual results will certainly vary depending on many factors such as commitment level, individual effort, and marketing skills, okay? So read the rest of this, guys, because it's important that you understand we're not making any guarantees, but we are showing you a major opportunity. And one thing about me, I've never needed a guarantee. What I needed was an opportunity where I could actually succeed. And Epic is a place that you can succeed epically, okay? I want you to look here at our ranks, okay? On top of making money in the Forex market, you have the ability right now to build up a massive residual income during this pre-launch. Yesterday, the first day, 21,000 people plugged in. This thing is going to scale so fast. And the question is, when are you going to be in? And when is what's going on in the company going to benefit you too, on top of you growing with us? Okay, it's important to get plugged in right now. You can't delay. Look at these ranks. Founder 500, a team of 10 people. Okay, that's $125 a week, $500 a month. Founder 1000, that's $1,000 a month, $250 a week for a team of 30 people. You can see this scale up. Okay, I want you to read this. I don't want to go through each one of them. Then it jumps up to 2,000. 5,000, Ambassador 10. This is the six-figure rank where you're making $2,500 a week, $10,000 a month for a team of 500 people. The Pay to Live organization alone, the first day put in 6,000 people. Right now, over 6,000 people. I want you to understand that. You cannot afford to delay if you want to win with us. Okay, Ambassador 20, $20,000 a month. Ambassador 50, $50,000 a month. Icon level, 100,000, 200,000, 500,000, and it goes all the way up to Epic, which is $1 million a month. Okay, for a team of 75,000 people. Now, you may be saying, I don't know if I can achieve Epic. I would say stop thinking like that, number one. But what I can say is there's no reason why you don't smash founders and ambassadors coming into this, okay? There is a massive opportunity to be in at the very beginning of this movement, and right now is the time to take advantage of it, okay? So the pre-launch officially began on September 1st. I want you guys to understand our strategy. We intended at first to put in 40,000 people in the business. I see this going well over 100,000 the first 30 days at $19.99. You do not want to be last to the party. It pays you to be first, okay? Every day we have 4 live Zoom presentations being done for you. All you got to do is show people what we're doing and invite them to this call the same way that someone invited you to this call, okay? Our Go Live and Academy, it will officially begin October 1st, okay? Right now you have access to all the live trainings, live trading sessions, and the daily signals, okay? On top of that, moving into October, if you hit Ambassador, okay, that's a team of 500 people. If you hit Ambassador coming out of pre-launch, you are going to get paid for by the company an all-inclusive trip and retreat to Mexico, a leaders mastermind. I'm talking about absolutely epic on every level. Okay, your flight's taken care of, the resort's taken care of, everything while you're there is taken care of. We are going to reward you for coming in and grinding the next 30 days and taking advantage of this first movers advantage right now. It's absolutely amazing. So how to become epic, guys, right now, whoever invited you to this call, you need to get back with them right now. Okay, you need to lock in your pre-launch position today for $19.99. You're talking about $20 right now to lock in something that can make you $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, maybe $500 a month, maybe $50,000 a month, maybe $100,000 a month. It's up to you and what you do with it, okay? And you can begin to build and structure your organization with us today and take advantage of everybody who's joining right now, okay? And get ready for the official launch of Epic in October, okay? So look, welcome to the family. This is not something that's meant to just be ongoing talking. I want you to get plugged in right now and actually experience why this is epic, okay? So welcome to the family, the world's ultimate trading and lifestyle company. Right now is the moment for you to lock in your spot, okay? So we're about to get these calls locked in the training. Make sure you get back to whoever invited you to this call, and we will see you on the inside. Have a great night.